Good. Let me try this again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another live stream. Let's make sure my audio is good. My audio is good. Let's do this. What's up, Christopher Schatz? Good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon from me. Let me get set up on TikTok here. I'm just gonna go live right away. Hello, C Voss. What's up, Emote Vibe? What's up? What's up? All right, I'm a little bigger on the screen today. You might notice that. I don't know. I'm going to do that. Hello again. What's up, Noxie? Ken Carlson, M. Shohal, John T. What is up? Sibo. Yo, yo, yo. So many familiar faces. Here, let me do this real quick. As always, hello, Sam. I will be prioritizing the YouTube chat because I can actually keep up with YouTube, but not TikTok. So, burrito for GME, man. Yeah, haven't paid a ton of attention to GME. I still have my shares, but not yo mama. What's up? Buy a donkey. No, not buy a donkey. Oh, I was trying to say hello in South Africa in Afrikaans, but that's thank you. Never mind. But hello from South Africa. Everything looking good? Yeah, sure. Everything. I think things are looking good. Let's see. Thank you, Easy Rye. Hello, Connor and Christopher. Long time, Mark, Jason. Glad to have the lives back. You know. Yeah, I missed yesterday. There's been life. There's been life things going on that I won't bore you with, but it's been stressful. So. What's up, T-Bane? Very cool. I also know it's cold. Buy a coat. Oh, man. Thank you, Easy Rye. Much love to you. Thank you for that super chat. And let's see. Hello, Lucci the Gucci. Have I seen the XRP trailer thing? I haven't. No. What's up, Trump Rules? Hello, Sher Singh. Thoughts on AMP and how many X it can go? I still think it's going to $1. I really do. Critical Care Now. Hello. I'm doing well. I hope you're doing well, too. Made bad trades. Wish me luck going forward, please. It's pretty simple. Buy and hold. We're going higher. So DOT or HBAR short term. I'd say DOT. Yeah. Should I get Litecoin, Solana, or XRP today? Got $650. The thing about XRP that scares me is just the suit. It seems like it's never going to end. So between those two, I would say Litecoin. Thoughts on XLM and AVAX? XLM $2 to $3. AVAX is going to be fine. I know that it's been a rough few days. Why bullish on AMP? I'm bullish on everything. So Shiba Inu update, if that's what you're asking. I think it has maybe a 2 to 3x in it left this bull run. So I feel like I'll regret if I don't load up on XRP. Yeah, if you don't have any, yeah, load up. If you already have some, it just depends. What do you got? So what's up, Slice of Butter? Don't mean to dive right in, but what's your take on Sia Coin? Sorry, I don't know enough about Sia Coin. Ethereum or Bitcoin? For the next 10 years, Ethereum. For the next 20 to 50 years, Bitcoin. Godspeed, Wayne. Okay. Thoughts on the Tether situation, other than what's normally going on? I'm not worried about Tether, guys. I'm not worried about Tether. Thoughts on Matic in December? I think it's going to peak in January at $8. Axie Infinity, it's like, is it ever going to stop? I mean, eventually it will, but it's like, I think for the next few months at least, we should be good still. So got a grand coming in on the 20th. Too late then? No. I think it's going to flirt. Yeah. Okay, so where's my mouse? Can't find my mouse. Oh, how about I use the mouse pad? All right, so, I made a video on TikTok yesterday, and I'm not sure about TikTok, I'm not sure about the contents of that video anymore. I thought that futures open interest was going to keep going up, and the price was going to keep going up, and that we wouldn't see any kind of long squeeze. But there was a little bit of a long squeeze yesterday, which means that futures open interest is now down again. And so I said that I thought futures open interest would peak next week, a little under $64,000, and then there'd be some kind of squeeze down to 57, 55,000, something like that, and then we'd go higher. But we had a little bit of a squeeze yesterday. So biggest altcoin bag for short-term profit, it might be Litecoin. So excited about Litecoin because everyone hating on it. There we go. Yes. Should I get some VET or HBAR? I think you'll do well if you buy both. When do you think VeChain is going to break the 11 cent barrier? After Bitcoin reaches its all-time high, which I think is going to happen after it crosses its all-time high, I think that's going to happen early November. I think that a lot of alts are going to pump. So can't wait. Theta or Matic, short term. Good morning, Frank. Hope everyone here has a good day ahead of them. Yep. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. I can't keep up with the TikTok chat. So hop on over to YouTube, World War Bitcoin on YouTube. What's up, Smiles? Crypto gaming makes a ton of sense. Yeah, get some crypto for your gaming. So using my last 10K LOL, 8K more in ETH and 2 in XLM for risk play. Yeah, that sounds great. Lowest you think Litecoin could get to by the end of the cycle? Lowest? I mean, I think it's pretty much near at its low right now, and I think it's going to $1,500 at least. So Quant or Solana, both of those have pumped a lot. I would say Solana short term. Whatever happened to Dogecoin? Doge is going to $1 in my opinion. So do you think the Dubai Crypto Expo will cause a pump? No, I'm not even paying attention to it. So low, let's see. H-bar still worth getting it? Yes, I think so. There's a Bitcoin whale been selling. Thoughts? I'm not worried about the one whale. I see Pablo talking about that. I saw Crypto Mason talking about that. I'm not worried about one whale. Yeah, he sold another 1,500 Bitcoin. I don't care. I really don't. He also buys at times. He hasn't been perfect with his timing. So I don't know enough about lossless. Will you sell some of your ETH at the peak and rebuy at lower prices? I'll probably sell like 2 of my ETH. That's like 5% of it or something like that. Any high risk, high reward coin to put 1K in? Stonksbra, I'm not the person entirely to ask that question to, but I think a lot of the microcaps on Coinbase are going to pump like crazy at the very end. You're welcome, Ashish. Good morning, Ostruval and Evil D. What's up? H-bar thoughts. I think it's going to $2 or so. It's a long-term hold for me. Man, Bitcoin seems to be pumping right now. That's good. Thoughts on Matic? This blew off top like $8. If you were to diversify only 5 coins, what would you choose? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and H-bar. But maybe I would remove 2 of those for Quant and Solana. Quant and Solana have to be in there. With Litecoin, I meant the lowest potential it has by end of cycle, like 1K. Oh, okay. I think 1K is pretty safe. So CKB, don't know enough. XRD, I also don't know enough. What are you selling and what are you hodling at the end? Hearing so many strategies. My goal is to sell about 65% of my crypto or 60% of my crypto and just hold on to the rest. I'm not selling any of my Bitcoin. I'll sell a little bit of my Ethereum, half of my Binance, half of my Chainlink, none of my H-bar because I don't have a ton of H-bar. But the rest, I'm selling all of it. I'm selling all of the rest. So if you were, well, except for, I mean, we'll see about XRP with the SEC suit. So I might hold on to that. Let's see. XRD, don't know enough. If the SEC price closes, what price do you see XRP? I mean, I think it's going to $8 to $10 this cycle, regardless. So I don't know anything about Liquidus. Emax is trash. But if it closes, I just think it's going to happen sooner. You know, I think it's going to pump like crazy immediately. Like it'll go to $3. It'll go back to its all-time high very quickly. Will alts pump before ETH before December? Yeah, alts will pump, but the big pump is going to be at the end. Do you think H-bar can hit $20 in 5 years? I think it's within the realm of possibility, yes. Short-term runner after ETH and Litecoin Polkadot. I have 2K worth of Dogecoin. Should I sell and buy other coins? If so, what coins? Braylon, if all you have is Doge, you should sell 75% of your Doge and buy Ethereum, buy Litecoin, and then take a gamble on a microcap on Coinbase or something. H-bar lowest price in your opinion? Okay, if we're going to do that, well, Crypto Weatherman says 96 cents, and I think that would be the lowest that I could see it getting to. Do you have a set time for when you go live? Sorry, I'm very inconsistent. On Mondays, I usually go late afternoon, but every other day I usually go early afternoon, Eastern time, United States. So how will you know when to sell? When things go parabolic, when you see things pumping like crazy, when you see people all over Facebook talking about things, when you see 1,000 people in my TikTok live stream, that's when you sell. I made ROI in a month on my Helium miner. Nice. Yeah, I'm absolutely going to look into Helium miners for sure. You think more correction coming or 60K now? Now, I mean, we have 18 days left in the month. I mean, I could see all that stuff happening at the end of the week, end of the month. But, you know, I made a video yesterday predicting that Bitcoin would go up to the 60s within the next week or week and a half, and then back down to the 50s for a fake out, and then pump higher. So thank you, Bob120. Matic end of the year, January, $8. EOS, I don't think it's going back to its all-time high. Why is DOT so bullish when not many people are talking about it? The right people are talking about DOT. So, but I'm second guessing the TikTok I made yesterday because there was a little bit of a long squeeze yesterday. Any technicals to help you find the top? Been looking at monthly stochastic RSI as a clue. Oh, thank you for that confetti. I pay attention to broader term things. Like I do pay attention to future funding rates, which after the shakeout yesterday looks very good, but I was getting nervous. I look at MVRV Z-score. That's a big one for me. And there's other things like that. So what's up, Sam Bo? Ethereum Classic this cycle higher than, hey, Lucci, I'll definitely make a video about like when I'm selling. I will be a huge bear at some point. So I'll tell you for sure when I think I'm going to be out exiting. What do you think about SafeMoon? Is SafeMoon dead? That's something I'm wondering. Is SafeMoon dead? It might be. Like, and I own some SafeMoon. I would love for it to not be dead, even though I think it's garbage. But, you know, whatever. We'll see. I did not watch the interview with Raul saying he thinks ETH could hit 30 to 40K. Honestly, I think ETH could hit $30,000 to $40,000. I don't think it's going to happen, but it's, you know, all the possibility in the world. It could. Nobody talking about FTM. I like HBAR more. Oh wait, no, dude, I get those mixed up. No comment on George Soros. No. What do you think about Shiba? Shiba's trash, but it still has room to go higher. I'm going to borrow 150K on my house. I will buy all Litecoin. Oh, dude, Lucci. Ooh, this is not the time. A year ago at this time was the time. So what do you think about extended cycles? I think slightly extended cycles, but I don't think that's true. Because I think things are going to peak in December. All signs are pointing to a December peak, just like 2017, except you got to remember that the halvings move up. They move up. So it was there was a halving in July of 2016, and then there was a halving in May of 2020. The next halving will probably be in March or April of 2024. So ADA to $8. I don't know enough about lossless. How 96-cent HBAR? Did you answer a different question? No, Bagheer, I answered your question. That's the lowest I could see it going as far as like the peak is concerned. Why alts are going in a different direction of Bitcoin? Because it's Bitcoin's time. Bitcoin, watch my second most recent TikTok. Good morning, Albert. Why is dot? So I answered that. Thoughts about Luna now? I still think Luna is going to $100. So that's not a huge gain from here in comparison to other cryptos. APL, I don't know what that is. Could Litecoin still hit 1,500 per coin? I think so. All right, SafeMoon is not dead. Wait until September. I hope you're right. All right, Ethereum Classic. Alex, when you decide to have some sort of class or group, I'm definitely joining. Thank you. I'm making a class. It's not going to be expensive. It's not going to be like one of those $3,000 classes. I'm going to charge like $27 for it. Ethereum Classic this cycle passed its all-time high, but I don't pay attention to it. Any thoughts on Quant? Quant's a beast. I love Quant. I don't know how much more it can grow. I mean, I know a lot of people are saying $1,000. I could see $1,000, but I don't think will Cake survive the bear market. I really hope so. I think it will. I don't think it's gonna like go 10x from here. Quant is what I was talking about. What will ETH hit $15,000? Would Luna be a good buy right now? Oh, XLM2 to $3. Luna is okay. I mean, it's safe. I just don't think, I think Luna has had so much pump already that I just don't know how much higher it can go, you know? Hop on over to YouTube. For those of you on TikTok, I try as hard as I can to respond to, thank you, Ronnie. It's going to be a bear market buying guide, and I will post it when I'm done with the videos, probably sometime like end of November, early December. So, most undervalued, what will ETH hit 15,000? Most undervalued at the moment. I'm Polkadot's up there. ALBT, I'm sorry, I don't know enough OC Pet Doctor. Is the halving to confirm the bull run, meaning it can come before that? It just depends on behavior. People anticipate the halving coming, then they might buy leading up to it and then sell when it happens. But then there will be a supply crunch that happens like that. I want to learn and make money. I'm tired of working hard to make it in life. You gotta get out of fiat currency. Look at what's happening. First it was, we're going to do all this stimulus stuff, and then but that's not going to really affect inflation. But then it's like, oh, we got inflation, but it's transitory. And now it's like inflation's good. It's like, come on, man. Come on. Dude, Armada, I hope you're wrong. I hope you're joking about that. You better be joking. We are up $13,000 in October. I see that smiley face, so I'm assuming that you're joking. Please tell me you're joking. I think Doge is going to $1. Doge prediction $1. Yeah. Thoughts on Zill? I don't know enough. I mean, the stuff I read about it, everything sounds good. I just don't own any. I'm all in on crypto. I'm not buying any more crypto for the rest of the year. So what's the coin that's going to replace the dollar? Man, I don't know. Currency is power. The United States is always going to be thinking of ways to control that. So let's see. Thoughts on, let's see. Do you have NFTs? I have 2 NFTs. They've both decreased in value. So how would you invest 100K right now or wait? I would invest slowly. I mean, I think things are going to pump by the end of this year. So I think Bitcoin's going to $200,000. Ethereum Classic or Uniswap? Uniswap. But sorry, let me finish answering that question. I mean, I would play it safe. Bitcoin and Ethereum would be most of my portfolio, and then spread the rest out among alts. So when will Bitcoin peak? December 21st. Opinion on VXV. Yeah, vectorspace.ai. I like what I see. I'm thinking $100 or so this cycle. There is some debate as to whether they actually need to have a cryptocurrency for what they do. I don't know enough to make a decision on what I think is going to happen. Armada, you better stop saying that, or I will block you, or I'm going to mute you. I won't block you because I answered your question already. So you just bought 10K worth of Chainlink. Okay, cool. You have $100. Best coin to make 1,000 this year. Man, those questions are pretty rough. Microcap on altcoins, I guess. Microcap altcoins on Coinbase. Just look there. What's up? TikTok. Bitcoin 250K end of year. It's possible. I think more like 200,000. So Chainlink 1K end of year. No way. Do you think Quant can hit 10K in 5 years? It's possible. Yeah. Ordered Helium miner in April, still waiting. Man, yeah, that's why I didn't order one, because I'd rather do it in the bear market so I don't have to wait so long. Good luck, Ty. What price do you see Chainlink at? $100 or so. Will alt pump this month? No, not this month. I think next month they'll start pumping. If you have 55K, you put it in Bitcoin, distribute it among Bitcoin and alts. I do like 25% in Bitcoin, 30% in Ethereum, spread the rest out among alts, or 35% in Ethereum. Do you agree? Fairly significant dip out in October still remains before parabolic. Not a significant dip. Like a dip like yesterday, sure, yeah, but not a significant one. Chainlink is dead. I don't think so. Solana to 1K by the end of the bull run. Yeah. I mean, no. Well, I think $600, but it's possible. It's possible. ETH by the end of 2021, January 2021, $15,000. When to expect alt season? After Bitcoin pumps like crazy, we'll have alt season. But Bitcoin has to pump like crazy. So, what's happening with the comp question? What comp question? Anyway. What NFTs do you have? A Skelebit, which I just bought for $30 and then $30 worth of gas fees, and then a Solana NFT. I bought the cheapest one on SolanaArt.io, and it's gone down in price. So, am I going to be staking the bear market? If so, which coin? I'll be holding. Yeah, I'll be staking. That's a big plan of mine. I hope to stake $500,000, get that passive income. So, I'd love to get like $50,000 a year of passive income. Did you hear about the guys that stole a Bitcoin ATM? Yes, I did. Yeah. I know it's not crypto, but you hear about Newcastle. Yeah, Newcastle's been taken over by some Saudi people. So maybe they'll spend a lot of money. Do you think Pi Network is a scam? What kind of a scam would it be? Because like I have it on my phone, and I'm hitting that one button every day, and there's nothing that they're robbing me of. but I hope it's worth something. You're going to stake during the bear? Yeah. All right. I did answer that on TikTok, I think. What altcoins? I'm not sure, Patrick, what you're asking. What altcoins? Do you ever think about mining Bitcoin? Yeah, I have. And I might. We'll see. So, all right. Pi Network is not a scam. SHIB December end. I think it'll peak in January, and it'll be like a 3x from here. Is there ever a bad time to average down? No, take profits, man. Will Quant have a low price multiplier? A low, yeah. I mean, I don't think it's going to go much higher than, I mean, I think it's like a 3x in here, if that's what you're asking. What else do you think will lead the way in November besides ETH? I think Litecoin's going to pump like crazy in November. And then it's going to be the big market cap coins, like top 20 coins, I think will pump. Do I have a regular job? I am semi-retired, so sound quality has seen serious gains. Abdul, I fixed my microphone issues. So which coin are you going to stake? Stable coins in the bear market, if that's what you're talking about. Stable coins, USD coin, Tether, BUSD. I'm not worried about Tether. So yeah, I have no idea when the Pi Network will go live. Do you think Bitcoin will X more than Quant by January? Yeah, I do. Yes. You think ETH could hit 30K? I watched the Raul interview. Is he crazy? He's not crazy. ETH could potentially hit 30K. And the thing that I would say about it, I don't think it's going to hit 30K in January, but I could see it hitting 30K in 2023 at the very middle of what we're supposed to think is the bear market because of EIP 3675. It's insane. It's insane, man. I have not seen Blocktopia. No. What's Chainlink going to do? I think $100 or so. Why Bitcoin 200K? I mean, we're matched up to the 2017 and 2013 bull runs like crazy right now. I think, what's up, Redbeard? I think it's like we're going to have to deviate from the path that the previous bull runs took us on pretty heavily if we don't hit 200K. $1 million Bitcoin in the next 5 to 10 years. I think we're going to hit $1 million this decade. So Shiba is a 3x from here, in my opinion. What are you going to do if your exchange freezes when you're trying to sell? I will have sold plenty by then. I'm not worried about it. You've got to not be greedy. If you're greedy, you're gonna have to worry about that. Best state to live in? I don't know, man. Not California. Hitting the Pi button makes me feel like I'm lost. Any movie recommendations? No, I don't. Movies bore me. Fast and Furious, how about that? Yes, something. Okay, I'm looking for a low cap with 20x potential. Any recommendations? Abdul, CVO Crypto says that every micro cap on Coinbase is going to 10 to 30x. So I'm not the person to ask about that. But you know what? AMP. How about AMP? So would you convert a big part of your quant to ETH? No. Why do people hate on Litecoin? I mean, it's 10 years old. Today is Litecoin's 10-year birthday, and it's never been hacked. Hey, look at that. It's never been hacked. It's digital silver. I think it's going to fit a role of digital silver to digital gold. And so I'm excited. And Litecoin, the Litecoin to Bitcoin chart, Litecoin's going to pop in comparison to Bitcoin. I've heard people say that Litecoin is going to outperform Bitcoin 5 to 25x and over the next few months. And I think Bitcoin is a 3 to 4x from here. So Litecoin could go wild. USD coin only 0.15 APY. On Coinbase, I think that's what it is, but on other platforms, not so much. Should I sell Quant and buy Litecoin? I'm not, if you don't own any Litecoin, I'd recommend some, but it's almost annoying this part. I'm tired of hitting it. Groundhog Day vibes. Yeah, Rodney, I'm with you on that. Bag hold of a bunch of Litecoin sitting on a loss, waiting for November, bud. Okay, Dale, keep waiting. It's one of those things. It's like, you've got to be patient. I know every day is a grind, day by day, but the only reason why Litecoin won't pump, in my opinion, is if we're actually in a bear market and crypto is going down from here. But I'm very confident that Bitcoin is not going down. So is Litecoin? You think Litecoin is actually going to? I'm not asking you this, but Litecoin's going to underperform Bitcoin. I would bet a lot of money. I mean, I am betting a lot of money that Litecoin is going to outperform Bitcoin on the way up at the very least. So looking at the 4-hour chart from yesterday, what is a bullish hammer that I was looking at, or is it not? Yeah, that was a bullish hammer, Zlatan. Absolutely. If your top cap alts reach your price points, are you cashing out completely or plan to move some to mid to low caps that haven't pumped? That's a dangerous game, Reiches. So CVO Crypto, I'm not going to retweet him, but CVO Crypto, I think he posted that in his Telegram group. I might do that a little bit. So, Bitcoin peaks. I'm not going to sell my Bitcoin, but Ethereum peaks, maybe, I'll sell a little bit of Ethereum and put that into, a big major cap altcoin that hasn't peaked and just keep on riding that until the end. But that's dangerous, man. Good morning, Everardo. Let's see. Brazil is preparing to vote on legalizing Bitcoin as a legal tender. Yes, sir. What's EIP? EIP is Ethereum Improvement Project. Top 5 cryptos: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, H5, Solana, and Quant. Those are my top 7. For this run, it would probably be entirely different. Like Litecoin would be up there, but Litecoin's not a top 50 crypto for me. I mean, no, it's top 50. So anyway, yeah, feds are lying to us all. Inflation's way worse. Yep. So, you got your stimulus, but now you're paying for it. So that's how it works. Happy birthday, Litecoin. Would you be surprised if Bitcoin only hit 100K this cycle? No, I wouldn't. But listen, when I talk about Bitcoin hitting 200K, I'm not saying absolutely. I'm saying that within the realm of possibility, that's like the middle of where I land. I could see it going much higher than that, honestly. I could see it petering out like it did in May. Like I thought Bitcoin was going to hit $100,000 in May before crashing down to like $50,000. Instead, it got to 65,000 and then went down to 29. And so it's one of those things. I expected that crash, but I don't know. So let's see. Watch CVO Crypto this week. Your lives are so much. I'm not going to compare myself to CVO Crypto. He's good for what he does. So when to sell alts in December or January, after Bitcoin peaks, sell your alts. Alts will pump after Bitcoin peaks. Some might not. Some might pump before then. Like Cardano, I think is going to be the first one to peak before Bitcoin even. So prediction on Matic, $8. FTM prediction higher. I don't have one. Will there be a 2030 bull run? It's going to look a lot different. Hello, Goonie Goo Goo. It's going to look a lot different in 2030, but there will be runs. So I said hello, Googie Goo Goo, and my phone thought I was saying okay, Google. Nobody knows, but you are not guessing. Thank you. Theta prediction, $50. I need your ADA opinion. Is it going up the rest of the market? Yes, it will. Yep, I think $8 or so. ADA or H-bar more bullish? I'd say H-bar. And again, it's because ADA has pumped like crazy already. I mean, it's 100x. 100x from where it's been. So let's see. Edit, would you convert a big part of your quant to ETH for the next 3 to 4 months for a bigger X? No, ETH is at 3,500. If I think it's going to 15,000, that's a 4x from here. Quant could 4x. It could. Do you reckon the pullback will be significant, or looking at sustained ALHs? Any pullback is going to be bought up like crazy. I'm not worried about pullbacks right now. Amp a dollar, yes. Live for the danger. Started with nothing. Anything that happens is just a higher low in my portfolio. Excellent. Will Crow do well in January? I think Crow's going to 50 cents or so. So Chainlink, why not moving? It's Bitcoin's time. Do you think there's a chance Quant could possibly not survive bear market next year? No, Quant's here to stay. I'm very confident of that. I'm going to be buying a ton of Quant. I'll probably buy 6 figures worth of Quant in the bear market. I cannot wait. Would it be crazy to drop $30,000 in AMP? It just depends. I mean, how much do you already have? If you have $1 million worth of crypto, then yes, put $30,000 in AMP. Hello, Norm Axelson. Do you hold any low cap coin? Yeah, VXV is probably the lowest cap that I own, and some meme coins. So, what's your favorite platform to stake on? Do you like PancakeSwap? PancakeSwap is my favorite. So, yeah. Just got off 5-day cruise. Oh, nice. H-bar, $2. Audrey, did you cash out Hex? I'm holding on to my Hex. I'm just going to hold on to it. If it goes to zero, fine. I only put in $500. I'm afraid to buy crypto before the dump. you're always going to be afraid to buy crypto then. You know, you've got to get in at some time. How did China ban Bitcoin like 5 times? Are they banning like futures, things that separately? Yeah, they're doing separate bans. I mean, they banned mining, they banned other things like that. So good afternoon, the science. CB's Crow bear market price, maybe around where it is now. Shiba USD, is that just Shiba Inu? Not a fan. VET, XLM, ADA, XRP, SHIB, Doge, XYO, and ETH2. What about it? Looks like a fine portfolio. Will Matic go over $3 soon? In November, I think it will. So what if you can't buy quant in the bear due to the supply? I mean, that's a possibility. I'll just be happy with the quant that I do have. Where do you see Litecoin going by January? $1,500. You think Bitcoin all-time high by end of the year? I think Bitcoin all-time high, like we're going to flirt with it this month, and then November, we're going to see a new all-time high, and then we're going to go much higher. So let's see. Good evening, Jay. Mbox, I don't know anything about Nbox. I do not have Songbird. Electronium, don't know enough. Mirror, don't know enough. Have a great day, Norm. Algo, $7. I do still think Doge will hit $1 by the end of the year. Yeah. Holding XBAR, XRP, HBAR, XRP, ETH, and Solana. What's your thought? I think that's good. I think it's good. Mirror, I don't know anything about Mirror. DAG is still something I need to research more. Did you see Pablo's video about a whale selling off? Don't like Pablo, just want your opinion. It's one person or one entity. I'm not worried about, like, you know, illiquid supply is increasing. That one whale is not driving the market. I mean, yeah, if a whale sells 1,500 Bitcoin, that's going to have an effect on the price. The price will drop like $500. I'm just not worried about it because people are scooping that up like crazy. Dot price prediction, $200. Chainlink, $100. NFT, what about it? Do you think there's going to be another pullback this month? I could see it, but I think we're going to see $60,000 within the next 10 days. How am I, Alex? I'm good, King Tyson. Chainlink is still a long-term hold for me. I'm perfectly fine holding Chainlink. I have 5 coins of Quant. Sell all and bear or hold on to it. 5 coins. I mean, what else do you have? You know, I would sell some of it. Ethereum Classic, $300. That seems likely. Yeah. US Bank is offering Bitcoin custody service. It's only a matter of time. Flokinomics. What's that? In your opinion, what's the best single token to invest $5,000 in? Ethereum. How likely is XRP to win their lawsuit? I mean, they're fighting as if they want to win. I just don't know. I don't know. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, by the way. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Happy Wednesday, Crypto Moonbags. I am also live on YouTube right now. I'm able to answer every question there, but not on TikTok. There's just too many people on TikTok. What about the trouble for Tether? Tether, when they settled with Letitia James, the Attorney General in New York, that was the biggest hurdle. I mean, I know people keep up bringing Tether FUD. There's nothing with Tether itself. There just isn't. Now there's people who are affiliated with Tether who are in danger of going to jail or something like that or being fined, but that has nothing to do with Tether. So, all right. Anyway, if you look at Bitcoin monthly returns chart in 2018 and 2014, when everything peaks, it crashes hard for a few months and gets like a 40% pump in April and May. Yeah, Rikes. Yeah, it's going to go back to the 702 Fibonacci retracement level from whatever the peak is. And so there are things to do in the bear market so you can time things. Like I'm going to buy, go all over to YouTube and subscribe. I'm going to buy some, all right, let's say Bitcoin peaks at $200,000. You know, if I were a trader, what I would do is I'd sell around that time and then buy back in around $80,000 and hold on to it until it gets to like $140,000. So will HIB shit a penny at the next bull run? I mean, if they burn, it just depends on what their burn looks like. Maybe not. I mean, they're going to have to be very aggressive with their burning. They're going to have to get that under a 5. Like, I don't think SHIB is going to hit a $1 trillion market cap next cycle, which means that they need to burn 80% of their supply. So no, the answer is no. Hey, M88888, thank you. Sorry about that. Do you know audio? I don't know enough about audio or Glimmer. Sorry. After January, are you going to be on doing your lives from a yacht in the Maldives? Yes, I am. No, not really. My kids have school. But can ADA hit 15 to 20 this bull run? It's possible. But Just getting into crypto with 1K. What should I get? Ethereum. If it's just 1K, just get Ethereum. What do you think about Ethereum Classic? Ethereum Classic will go up with Ethereum because people will be like, oh, if that Ethereum's expensive, I'll get Ethereum Classic. But we'll see. Could XRP hit quant numbers if it wins the case? No. No. XRP is much bigger than quant as it is already. So I know you're talking about the price, but I'm talking about market cap. When do you expect the alt season to happen? Alts will pump after Bitcoin crosses its all-time high again. But the big alt season, I think, is going to be in January. Mana is Bitcoin, ETH, Link, HBAR, good portfolio. I think that's a great portfolio. Mana is good. NFTs, gaming, I like it. I don't have a price prediction though. Are you dumping all of your Litecoin this cycle? I am dumping every little bit of my Litecoin this cycle. I am super bullish on Litecoin short term. I am selling all of it at the end. So yeah, I have some HBAR. Recently got into IOTA, good move. Yes. Yeah. IOTA tends to like have a massive pump at some random point when you wouldn't expect it. And I think that's going to happen again. Somebody asked something. Oh, I don't remember. I'm just going to go to the next question. Sorry. Just jumped into an NFT project last month and put in 1K, sold 4 of my 5 NFTs, doubled my investment, still have a rare one left. Excellent. Excellent. Are you going to do actual YouTube content other than streams and shorts at this point? Would love that. In the bear market, I will. Yeah, sorry. I'm so overextended right now that I can't do YouTube videos, standalone YouTube videos, but I will. Yep. 100K lands in your lap. Are you going to spend it all on crypto today? What are you buying? 35% Ethereum, 25% Bitcoin. Spread the rest out. Litecoin, Polkadot, Binance, Chainlink, Solana, Cardano, XRP, HBAR. Maybe a little meme coins. So staking Axie for 115% on Binance. That's wild. Can't find some of those coins on Robinhood or Webull. Can you suggest an app, Thinkorswim? No, you got to do it on an actual crypto platform. Voyager. Download the Voyager app. Use my referral code ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin and you will skip the waiting list. So yeah. All right. Let's see. Mana answered that. XPR. I don't know anything about XPR. Don't know enough about Telcoin. Sorry. Am I DeFi savvy? I mean, I love DeFi. I don't know if I'm DeFi savvy. Oh, that's the question I was going to answer. When do I predict the next 20 to 30% drop? November, sometime in November. I don't think it's going to happen in October, but sometime in November. And what I think is going to happen is in November, we're going to hit $100,000 and get rejected really, really hard on that and go down to like $75,000 to $70,000. Some of you will be like, oh, that's the end. And I'll be like, no, that's not the end. So that's what I think is going to happen. Squid Game token, nothing. Sorry. When to buy Litecoin, Bitcoin is now a good time. I think after that shakeout yesterday, now's a good time. How come you wouldn't sell your Bitcoin in this run and buy back in the bear market? I've answered that so many times. I made a video about that, and I'm sorry, I'm not going to answer that again. But check out my TikTok. I answered that there. What do you think about Elrond end of year higher? I just don't have a prediction. Sorry. What to do with ETH in January trade, or I'm holding most of my ETH. But if you want to try to time it, start selling once it gets to 5 figures or so. I'm out of cash, but if ADA peaks before Litecoin pumps, I'll move profits into Litecoin. That's fine. Yeah. SHIB price prediction 3x from here. I'm frozen. Am I frozen? Sorry about that. That's on TikTok, not on YouTube. All right. According to my math, not the best math, SHIB has to have a market cap of 413 quadrillion just to reach $1. That's exactly right. It has to be worth more than all the assets in the world. But I mean, if they burn, but here's the thing that people don't consider if they burn, even if they burn 99% of their tokens, which is impossible to do. I mean, that's still what, that's a 4 quadrillion market cap. It's not happening. SHIB will never hit $1 unless the dollar becomes worthless. I have ETH, VET, Quant, Matic, XRP. You think sell the VET and Matic to stable to keep others when parabolic? That's fine. Yeah. Between all of those, I would sell the VET and Matic at the peak. Harmony One is underrated. I don't have a prediction. All right, not frozen. Thank you. Sandbox, don't know enough. Sorry. Best place to stake stable coins. I've heard Anchor. I don't remember how to pronounce it, but That's like got 20% returns for stable coins. That's fantastic. Business call bouncing me out. I'm more important. Thank you. Thoughts on IOTA? Yeah, I just answered that. I think IOTA will have several sporadic pumps. They'll be like, whoa, what's up with that? And Mana, same deal. I probably already answered that when you asked that question. So how does Tether always stay a dollar, and is it legal? It's a stable coin. It's pegged to the dollar. So that's the point of Tether. 50% HBAR, 30% ADA, 20% VET. What changes would you make to this if this was your portfolio? Those are all very conservative, in my opinion. If the live stream is frozen, I would recommend exiting and then coming back in. So I would add a little risk to it, honestly. I mean, that's weird for me to say that. I mean, I would love it if you had Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you know, I mean, those aren't sexy enough. And so I don't know, I'd add some Bitcoin and Ethereum and then go for something that like could kill it, you know, even more so than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Best fast food. I'm a simple man. I like McDonald's. Elrond has tokenomics that are awesome. And so, but I don't know about their fundamentals nearly as much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Hop on over there. Hey, and for those of you on Bitcoin, how about we smash up that like button? I'm sorry. I'm a YouTuber like that. So future prediction, HBAR $2 this cycle. I do not use a Trezor. I hold all my crypto on platforms. So, Anja, I already answered your question. Voyager, download Voyager. Is Bitcoin going to drop before shooting back up? CVO sees it like this. I think the drop was yesterday. I think it's time for it to go back up. Thoughts on AVAX? AVAX has plenty of room to grow. I know that, you know, it got listed on Coinbase. I think it got listed on Coinbase. And it didn't pump like crazy because it's already available on other platforms. So, yeah, Anja, Voyager. Download Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. Lossless, I don't know enough. Cold storage, hard to use. I don't think it's hard to use. I'm just not going to use it because of staking. I'm not going to answer your question, Julio Fernandez. The answer is no. Sorry, it did answer your question. How will a government shutdown impact the market? In the past, when there have been government shutdowns, it has had no effect on the market. It really hasn't. And in fact, I think crypto is actually pumped after that. But, you know, I don't know if you've been following the news. They kick the can down the road like they always do. And they will continue to do that. I mean, you think they're actually going to let the government shut down? Yes, Ferd, ALE749. XRP hasn't moved because it's Bitcoin's time. XRP will move. Do you invest in stocks and mutual funds? I'm 90% in crypto right now, but I do have stocks. I don't have any mutual funds. I'll be more in mutual funds in the Bitcoin in the crypto bear market. Are accepting a big sell-off just before Christmas. I think Bitcoin's going to peak on on December 21st. So what's going on with DOT? DOT's doing pretty well in comparison to other cryptos. So yeah, Dogecoin sell. I'd hold on to my Dogecoin. When dollar goes down, it hurts crypto because of stable coins. Okay. Thoughts on Alex Jones? I don't pay attention to Alex Jones. $200 to DOT. Bought my first Litecoin. Excellent. Wendy's greater than McDonald's. You know, my wife thinks so. I'm a simple man. I like McDonald's. I don't think Dogecoin is dead. If anything, you know, let's just say Dogecoin already peaked this year, then fine. Maybe it'll go down to 4 cents in the bear market. I'll buy like $20,000 worth of Doge and see that thing like 50x. So where will you stake your stable coins? Yeah, Anchor, PancakeSwap, Celsius, maybe BlockFi. Robert Kiyosaki predicts a big crash in October. Do you believe it? No, I don't. What percentage loss do you think Ethereum will suffer after the bull run? I think it's going to peak at $15,000 and then go down to $5,000. And then all of you are going to think that it's going to go down to like 1,000 and then it'll pump like crazy. SHIB is trash. I see your questions about SHIB. SHIB's trash. I could see another 3x from it before the peak. So where do you stake? Most of the PancakeSwap. Once you can stake ETH on Coinbase, you think it's safe to leave funds over bear market and stake there. If you're willing to do that, then I think that's a great idea. I know that you're bullish on, I love that you're bullish on Doge. You know what's coming. Doge is crap. 99 cents. Thank you, Julio. XRP after court case prediction. I think it's very quickly going to go back to its all-time high, and then we'll see after that. None of the politicians want something like the 2008 crisis to be labeled to their name. Exactly, Rikes. Exactly. Rikes, Matic, why is it not making any major move? Because it's Bitcoin's time. Watch my I think it's my second most recent TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, by the way. I've been killing it these last 3 months. I have no shame in saying that. I have been killing it these last 3 months. If you're watching my live stream and you don't follow me, if you hate money, don't follow me. How about that? Do you think we'll have one more drop before we moon? I think yesterday was the drop. But we'll see. Thank you, BTS. Will market cool down before ETH 2.0 comes out? It just depends. ETH, they're always slow. They're slow. Quant, I think, is a good buy at $300. Thank you, Jenna. They are slow to come out with their EIPs. And so I could see the same thing happening again. Coin Show, what's up, man? And Avotoast, thank you so much. Am I a Star Wars fan? All right, sorry, wait a second. Stepped away for the last 6 minutes. Can you repeat everything you said for word? Nope. So ETH 2.0, the market's ETH is going to heat up big time after that. Don't get cocky. No, I'm not being cocky. I'm being honest. So there's a difference between cockiness and honesty. You say the market goes in stages during the run. When ETH starts pumping, then do Bitcoin stop going up? No, Bitcoin will continue to go up. It's just ETH will outperform it. There's someone on TikTok using your name and face and inviting them to WhatsApp. Yes, Murtaza, I block about 10 different. All right, Coin Show. I'm going to answer your question in a second, but I block 10 fake profiles a day. I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do about it. I wish that wasn't the case, but that's just reality, is that they spam and I block them as soon as I can. But all right, Coin Show. The Coin Show, guys, follow the Coin Show on TikTok. His stuff is awesome. You want to learn about coins. I sometimes hop into his lives, but his videos show up on my FYP a lot. And I'm like, dude, I wish I had that kind of knowledge so I could treasure hunt. My kids, one of my sons, he's 7 years old. He wants a metal detector because he loves hunting for coins. So, all right, Coin Show. Luna. So here's the thing about Luna. Luna is one of the top performing cryptos over the last year to year and a half. And so I just don't know. It's like, can it continue to do that? So, I think everything's going to pump. I think the entire crypto market's going to pump, but I can't see Luna even doing a 5X from here. And so my prediction is like $100, whereas a lot of other cryptos are at least going to 5X from here. So it's one of those things. What do you say? Am I a Star Wars fan? All right. I'm just gonna. Yeah, I like Star Wars. What's up? Makes it happen. Hex is outperforming everything. There's the Hex boy. You're kind of right. You're kind of right. You are right. But one day is it going to be worth zero? That's the question. You're welcome, Coin Show. All right. Let me rank my favorite Star Wars movies. 5, 3, 7, 4, 6. No, Rogue One is up there, probably my second favorite. 2, 1, 9. 9 was the worst. No, 8. 9 before 2. 8 was the worst. So, yeah, XRP hasn't moved yet. It'll move. Sorry, I'm way behind. Which month should we take profits on alts when they pump like crazy? Thank you. You're welcome for being 100. Yeah, Bitcoin will trickle down to alts. Would you hold quant or sell and buy back in the bear? Most quant holders are going to hold long term. I'm not going to. I just want to see what quant looks like in the bear market. That may be the biggest regret of my life, whatever. You never know. If XRP loses the case, will we lose all our money that we invested? I don't know. That's an interesting question, Rodney. I don't know what XRP looks like. I haven't looked into the answer to that question. So, will Bitcoin drop to 20K in the bear market 2022? It depends on, Bitcoin will drop to the 200-week moving average at some point. Maybe not in 2022, maybe in 2023. And it'll wick below there, but it will not have a weekly or monthly close. I think it's monthly. It will not have a monthly close below the 200-week moving average. And so whatever the 200-week moving average rises up to, right now it's at like $16,000, but it's been rising forever. Since Bitcoin was created, I could see it rising to like $50,000 and that being the bear market bottom. So Afrostar, I have not heard of Afrostar. When will we enter a bear market? I think Bitcoin's going to peak in December, and then after that will be some kind of a bear market. Is it possible for ETH to rise in the bear market? ETH, I think, may not have a bear market, and that's why I'm telling people to buy ETH. I think with ETH 2.0, with EIP 3675, we're entering uncharted territory. What's up, not Kanye West? Yes, I am well. Hexman agrees. I don't know about what. Sorry, I'm a little bit behind, but bro, did you say you'll only hold Bitcoin at the end and sell your ETH? No, I'm not selling my ETH. I have over $100,000 worth of ETH. I'll sell some of it, pay some bills and stuff, but I'll maybe get some LASIK surgery, All right, Darius, what's up? When will ETH 2.0 come out? I mean, they're saying the end of the year, but they're always late. So I think maybe January or something like that. VeChain at 50 cents. Pumps will be a couple weeks. Okay. Solana, $600. Phantom higher, but no price prediction. Best website to buy cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin. Voyager. Download the Voyager app. Use my referral code ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin and you'll skip the waiting list. ALE749. Just started taking some loans against my crypto. You think that's a good move in general? It's better to do that than to sell because of taxes. So yes. How do you like Doge but not SHIB? They are basically the same coin unless you want to argue and say SHIB has more use case. I mean, they're both. That's a great question, Mr. Killashade. I don't like Doge. Doge is a joke. It's literally a joke. So I'm just being honest about where I think the prices are going to go. And so I will buy, now that SHIB has pumped, here's another thing I will say. I'm going to buy a ton of SHIB in the bear market. And I'll buy a ton of Doge in the bear market. And I know, so I say it's trash. What's going to happen with Doge and SHIB is that they're going to flatline. They're absolutely going to flatline. It's going to be the easiest buy. It's going to be the least stressful buy that I'll ever do. And I'll do it early 2024. Voyager code ALE749. But those are not cryptos that I will hold long term. That's the difference. And that's why I don't like them. What's up, Dean and Vance? I'm good. Yeah, Voyager code ALE749. Top 5 short-term holds to buy now till January. I'm not a short-term hold guy. I mean, Litecoin is easily in that list, but there's probably a bunch of micro caps that will far outperform now until the top, but good luck selling those at the peak. You're just not going to be able to time it. You're welcome, Eva. Is a good time to enter into Matic and Solana. You're welcome, Rick. Just bought 3K worth of Solana, which is $78. Nice. And pulled it out at 157. Excellent. That's great. You doubled your money. Does Cardano have a future? Oh, yeah. I think Cardano has a future. So, oh, man. P Squirm. You are so wrong. You are the most, that is the most wrong comment I will ever have. P Squirm says he doesn't like Dogecoin because he didn't get in early. I bought my first Dogecoins. Let's see. When did I buy it? I bought it on December 24th or 23rd, something like that. December 23rd. 2013, 2 weeks after it was launched. I didn't get in early. And then, of course, I sold it because that's what you're supposed to do. And then I bought Doge this cycle at 0.3 of a cent. So there is nobody who bought Doge earlier than I did, but nice try. Congratulations for saying the least accurate comment that I have ever heard or will ever hear. So... is it a good time to enter Matic or Solana? Yes. Any solid 5x picks. Most cryptos will 5x. Tell that turkey lip. Are you calling me turkey lip? Okay. Is that I don't know. Is it because I have big lips? I do have big lips. Should I take 100% profit or should I always keep at least 20% long term? Yeah, 20% long term. Bought at 56 cents. I would have told you not to if you're watching me. So... yeah, Goonie Goo bought at 7 cents. Oh, no, him. Okay. So what do you think will be the lowest price for ETH and Bear? I don't think it's going to go that low because of ETH 2.0. So maybe 5,000. So higher than where it is now. Would it be safer to put 1K in ADA or XRP? And if so, what price prediction for ADA? ADA is safer. Yeah, because of, the uncertainties with the... with the uncertainties with the SEC suit, and ADA is gonna be much more stable. So ADA doesn't do that bad, or it won't do that bad in bear markets. But lowest price for Bitcoin in bear market, again, the 200-week moving average, whatever that is. ADA I think is going to $8 or so. How dope is Hope? I already answered your question. Please stop spamming that. And I'm not going to answer it again. Sorry. Well, actually, no, I'll answer it. 20%. Thoughts on gaming crypto space? That makes a ton of sense. Super bullish. So what month is altcoin season? I think like January. Do you have to deposit to get to $25 in Voyager? Yeah, $100. Can you please describe the bear market? How low will it go, and when will it be lowest? Sharif, I am working on a course bear market buying guide. It's different for every cryptocurrency. I think that Bitcoin is going to be like, it's different timing, so it's going to be about a year after Bitcoin peaks. That's going to be a good time to buy. And again, the 200-week simple moving average, whatever that is. So Ethereum is going to be a wild card this cycle. XRP is going to be a wild card because of the SEC suit. So what do you think of Pablo without a shirt on? Oh, I didn't notice that. So ALE749, yeah. Bought Dogecoin at 4%, 4 cents. I mean, that's a great buying price. Polkadot, what about it? $200 a cycle. So what do you think about TY Crow Earn? Not sure what you're saying, Ogdog. All right, how dope is Hope? I'm sorry, I'm muting you for this live stream. I answered your question twice. If you're not going to pay attention, then you don't get to ask that question over and over again. What price does Bitcoin need to reach in order for Litecoin to pump? Once it crosses its all-time high, I think altcoins are going to pump like crazy. So have you been finding that CVO is still nailing his predictions? I don't know. I haven't been on watching it as much, but when bear market hits, will altcoins be lower than current prices right now or stay around bull price? Some of them will go lower than where they are now. Doge, I think, is going to be much lower than where it is now. I think Litecoin is going to be lower. Well, maybe around here for Litecoin. It just depends on the cryptocurrency, and it really depends on staking. You know, I think it depends on staking. Like, does a currency offer staking? If so, then it's not going to go down as bad. So, Chainlink $100 or so this cycle. Will Bitcoin be lower than it is now in the bear market? I think the price wise, I think it will, like $50,000. And so I'm saying now all purchases of cryptocurrency should be for short-term gains. I mean, you should always DCA in and buy crypto, but I think you will be able to find Bitcoin and some other cryptos at lower prices than where they are now in the bear market. So at the bottom of the bear market. So, but not much lower. Other than Bitcoin and Ethereum, how much money do you keep through the bear market? Not a ton. Yeah, not a ton. So, I mean, I'll be mostly in stable coins, or at least 50% in stable coins. And I would not be able to buy any then. You'll be able to buy some at the bottom of the bear market. You know what? I mean, I know I've talked about the supply crunch that's coming. You're going to be able to buy Bitcoin. I think retail investors are going to be able to buy Bitcoin whenever they want. But institutional investors are going to have a lot of trouble. As of right now, yeah, I think Litecoin's going to go beyond $1,000. I see that question. Will Litecoin hit $400 to $500? So I think Litecoin's at a good entry point. But oh my goodness, what was I saying? I don't remember. Oh yeah. So as of right now, all it takes is $93 million to move worth a $93 million purchase. Moves Bitcoin by 1%. And that was actually 6 months ago when the supply crunch wasn't as tight as it is now. So probably right now it's more like $80 million worth of a Bitcoin purchase moves Bitcoin up 1%. They're going to have a lot of trouble. Institutions who are going to want to put $1 billion into Bitcoin are going to have a ton of trouble. So is there going to be a dip on October 16th? If you're referring to the debt ceiling thing, that was the 18th and they already resolved that. So if institution can't get Bitcoin, won't they start investing in some other coins like ETH? Perhaps. Well, so Bitcoins will skip the exchanges and they'll go straight to miners. So that's the thing with that. But 450 Bitcoin mined a day starting in 2024, even that is going to be difficult. So should I buy Doge? I'd buy other cryptos right now. Any big movement for XRP this month? If Bitcoin were to cross its all-time high, XRP will pump. ADA end of cycle price $8. IQ Everpedia is doing fine. I have not paid attention to Everpedia. Do you expect a dip for ETH this month? Nothing major, no. Should I move my Ethereum Classic to ETH? For short-term gains, Ethereum Classic is going to outperform ETH. Keep buying Ethereum. I think so, yes. When Litecoin starts to pump, how long might it take to get to its peak at a guess? I think there's going to be several pumps, consolidation, pumps, consolidation, pump consolidation. But it'll be very quick. So can you talk about taxes on crypto? I'm not a tax professional. I can't. I just can't. None of this is financial advice, by the way. Do your own research before investing your hard-earned money. If you have 20 Bitcoin now, what would be your strategy in this bull cycle? Hold on to my 20 Bitcoin and just borrow against it, honestly. So I'm in 90% all in XRP. Is that risky, do you think? What if they lose? That's the thing. I don't know what's going on. So DOT is going parabolic right now. I would not call that parabolic. So why so bullish on Theta? I'm bullish on everything. Shorter bear market instead of 4 years, a little bit shorter, like 2 months shorter than last time. Is ETH at 3,500 to buy or not? Should I wait for a little drop? I would say now's a good time to buy. We had that shakeout yesterday. I think now's a good time to buy. XRP end of cycle price if they win. I'm still saying $8 to $10. Bitcoin go down for corrections. They had a shakeout yesterday. I think it's time for Bitcoin to keep rising a little bit. So what's causing the stagnation of the markets? What markets are you paying attention to? I mean, this has been wild. The last 2 weeks have been wild. Bitcoin was $41,000 2 weeks ago. It had a 2018 or 2017 bull run move in 2 weeks, So I don't know what to say, man. Will DOT have a drop after this pump? No. How about no? That's not a really big pump for DOT. I mean, it's not even at its near its all-time high yet. So XRP, and yeah, any value in AMP? Yes. AMP, yes. What's up, random mall you things? I've never pronounced your name rightly, I'm sure. Random all you things. Hello. All right, I don't think Voyager's giving you credit for your referrals. I joined and got nothing. Did you deposit $100? Would you buy Litecoin now? Yes. Buy Link or DOT if you had to choose. DOT, definitely DOT. Suggest high return altcoins. I'm not that kind. I just don't do that. I'm sorry. I think a lot of cryptos are going to pump like crazy over the next few months. And you want me to give you the best one, I suppose, but I'm not going to do that. I just, something I've never heard of. That's going to pump the most. Hunt or Heinz ketchup? Nothing. Price prediction for cake, $100. Quant's a beast. Quant does what Quant does. It's the honey badger. I just don't have a price prediction. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, by the way. I am able to respond to every question on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. I can't keep up with the TikTok chat. HBAR, $2. Take on Shiba, 3x from here. ICP, I hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns, but fundamentals, they're good. I think they were really shady when they launched. Hash, I already answered the 90% XRP. I think 90% in anything is risky. So Bob, that's a great question. No, the Walmart scandal is not going to affect Litecoin. So Bob asks, about Riot? Why is Riot not going up with Bitcoin? I have been paying attention to Riot. What I think is going to happen, because a lot of Bitcoin correlated stocks are not keeping up with Bitcoin right now. I think what's going to happen is people are going to flood into the Bitcoin correlated stocks after Bitcoin crosses its all-time high again. And once that happens, I do think Riot will catch up with Bitcoin. And but I bought some Riot calls last week, but then I sold them this week because of that very reason. And I made a profit on it, but then I bought some other calls on a Bitcoin correlated stock. I don't remember the name of it right now. It BitM. And I'm down on that right now. But I mean, if Bitcoin goes up to $200,000, which I think it will, that stock price, I think, is going to like 5 to 10x. And so I will make $1,500 for every dollar that goes up, aside from theta decay. So anyway, really like Riot and own some. Great. AMP or IOTA prediction. AMP $1, IOTA higher, but I don't have one. VeChain 50 cents. Is this a bull trap? No, it's not. I'm very confident about that. Did you buy any Bitcoin miner stocks? Yeah. BitM is a Bitcoin miner stock. 2K ETH or ADA based on your opinion. ETH. Hope you're good. Highest price for Litecoin, if you can, please. Highest price? I mean, I'm predicting $1,500. It could go to $3,000. It could go higher than that. So should I get Doge? I don't think so. I think you should get something else. Matic, $8. I'm a bull. I'm a bull right now. I will turn bear, and it's going to get ugly. Some of you are going to hate me, but at some point I will turn bear when many of you will be bullish. Do you like DAG and LTX? I don't know enough about either of those. Bitcoin Cash is trash. It's not going to get back to its all-time high this run, which is a bad sign for it long term. So how about Dodo? I don't know anything about Dodo. Hassan, you're killing me, man. I answered your question 2 times. No, it's risky to be 90% in anything, any single crypto. Compound price prediction, I don't know. Higher. Check any for a bit miner stock. All right, any, okay. Why does everyone want Doge? I don't know. Yeah. Dodo, yeah, I don't know enough. Do alts bleed like they have the last few days every time Bitcoin pumps 10%? First time I've seen it happen. You know, it's Bitcoin season. It is time for Bitcoin to pump. And I think that, those who want their alts to pump, they're putting money into Bitcoin. I'm talking about like major players. They're putting money into Bitcoin to drive that price up because they know that alt will go higher. So what makes you think AMP will get to $1, can get to $1? I think fundamentally AMP's a phenomenal cryptocurrency. And honestly, it's not, I think a lot of things are going to like 10x, a lot of them are going to 20x. And so for me to say AMP to $1, it's just, it is what it is. You're welcome, Bob. What do you do with stable coins at which platform? It just depends what's going to get me the better return. I think Anchor is the best that I've seen. Yeah, Crypto Moonbag. Thank you. Double tap that screen, y'all. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. 3 most potential alts under $10. Think market cap. Look for under $1 billion market cap. VRA would be a good one. Ooh, SafeMoon, Gambia, Wallet. Okay, so you're not a crap coin anymore. Thanks for doing something. How do you feel about NFTs? NFTs are here to stay, but a lot of those are going to be worthless one day. So I'm going to wait for the bear market and buy a decent amount of NFTs. So can we know sequence of coins to pump based on days? No, not necessarily. Traders make the most money. Okay, I'm not a trader. I'm fine with that. SHIB, 3X, good time to buy Litecoin. I think so, yeah. FTM is going to do fine. They have great marketing, but I like HBAR more. All right, you're welcome, Hassan. Jasmine, you don't know enough. Would you buy Riot now or wait? I'd buy now. Would you say invest in ETH and then roll over profits into big cap alts like DOT and Quant? If you wanna try that, well, no, not for ETH. I would do it for other cryptos, but not ETH. Quant, I've talked about Quant a lot. DOT or AVAX, DOT. Thank you, Eva. Yeah, if you're watching on YouTube right now, smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel. I am live on YouTube. ETH price during bottom of the bear market, like 5,000. Honestly, ETH might not have a bear market. Besides ETH, what crypto do you see being the most bullish in the next cycle? Solana and Quant. Any thoughts on VThor? I like VChain, so I like VThor, but no price predictions or anything like that. Phantom with ERC20 bridge for NFTs. It's going to blow up. Yeah, I've heard about Phantom with NFTs. Sweet. Is Hashgraph competition blockchain in general? It could be, which is why I'm not touching HBAR because, Bitcoin crashed this month. Nothing. No. Minimal. There will be minimal dumps. All right. Random Molu things. Okay. There we go. SHIB. What about it? 3x from here or so. Zagwe, I would hold on to your Bitcoin and take loans out against it. I would not sell it. Is it a good time to buy Bitcoin miners? I think it's a great time to buy Bitcoin miners. Yeah. Sold my DOT up with good profits and loaded up on more AVAX and Luna. Excellent. Yeah. Is it too late to buy Bitcoin or is there a possibility it drops this week? We saw a shakeout yesterday. I think that was the shakeout, and I think now is a good time to buy. So I like Robinhood. Is that bad? I mean, I use Robinhood, but I'm never going to like them. So copyrighted profile pic, so no biting. What? Doge cannot sustain the growth. People will start asking about usage case, just like the shift is happening in NFT space. All right. AVAX is fine. Thank you, Robinhood357. I don't have a price prediction for AVAX. Should we invest immediately during a bear market, or do you wait for a few years before the next bull? That girl, it depends on the cryptocurrency. I would say after things peak, don't buy anything for a year. So waiting on Robinhood wallet to move crypto out. You and me both, man. Yeah. Or woman, Jenny. Thoughts on Helium? Helium miners, I can't wait to own one. I don't own any right now, but Helium is legit. I like it. I'm looking forward to making money one day. Litecoin price in November. I think it's going to get back to its all-time high. Do you think I should hold Riot long-term or sell after the bull run? I think you should sell after the bull run. Are we in bear or bull market? We're in a bull market. XRP will pump. Oh, NFT biters. Okay. XRP will pump when? It'll pump with the rest of the market. Will Bitcoin see 50K again? Well, yes. I could see it going around 50K or below, even below 50K at the bottom of the bear market. So when the dust settles after, what do you think the 3% that are succeed? I think several top 50 cryptocurrencies right now will succeed. This is a lot more of a mature market. So, all right, Duke. What indicators are making you bullish? A lot of on-chain analytics. And the fact that we are step for step since July, we are step for step. I mean, watch my Bitcoin October update. You know, I mean, I answer these questions so many times. We are step for step in line with the 2013 and 2017 bull runs. So do you know who owns the most Bitcoin? Satoshi Nakamoto does. How about DAG? Don't know enough. And then after Satoshi Nakamoto, it's probably Grayscale. Thoughts on Luna? I've talked a lot about Luna. I just don't think it has much left in it aside from, normal market moves. So thank you, Clarence. Should I go into DOT or Solana now? I would say DOT. I mean, Solana's pumped like crazy. DOT and Solana were the same price a few months ago. And so I think Solana, I don't think DOT's going to catch up to Solana, but I think it could outperform Solana on the way up. So how long will a bear market last roughly? The bottom of Bitcoin's bear market will probably be a year. And Ethereum is going to be weird. I can't even say for Ethereum because of EIP 3675. Yeah, DAG, I don't know enough. What is the name of a good miner stock? Riot Blockchain, BITM. Maybe MicroStrategy. I mean, that's not a miner, but will SHIB go to a penny? Nope. Loved your October update. Thank you. Hawk will be the next Shiba. Okay. Cardano, $8. Telcoin, don't have one. Don't have any Telcoin thoughts. What do you think of Grayscale BTC or ETH to buy crypto in 401k Roth IRA? I think that's great. Yeah, if you can do that, awesome. Crypto is fun. Yes. Thank you, Jiga. Have you revised your prediction on VeChain? I mean, I used to say $1, now I say 50 cents. So, Eva, you're welcome. 5-year Ethereum price predictions between $50 and $100,000. What would you put 500 in right now? Ethereum. What would you buy with 100K? 25% Bitcoin, 35% Ethereum. Spread the rest out. Litecoin, Chainlink, HBAR. Maybe a meme coin. Polkadot, Solana, Cardano, XRP. XYO. What's up, user268? XYO, I'm bullish on XYO. I mean, I'm thinking like 20 cents or so. I mean, it's at 3 cents last I checked. So XLM, $2 or so. Ethereum Classic, I think Ethereum Classic at 250. That makes sense. Keep adding Litecoin. You're welcome. Awesome. Solana and Link predictions, please. Solana 600, Link 100. Do you trade during the bear market? I'm not a trader, but I might try to do something, I might try to do something, do some trading. So seems that ICP is a good spot for short-term play, right? I think so, yeah. Yeah. Quant or DOT? Short-term DOT, long-term quant. Link 100. I have one Bitcoin SV. Sell and put somewhere else? Yes. Yes. Sell and put something else. AVAX, Blizz and Joe. Blizz and Joe, I haven't looked into it all. AVAX, legit. Really like it. No price prediction. Higher. 5x or so. Yeah, Link's at a great price right now. For mining stock, any will be great. CEO left, right, and started any. Oh, that's a good point. All right. I didn't know that. But have you changed your thoughts on SHIB? I mean, no, I've been consistently saying that SHIB is trash. So I still think so. XTZ, no predictions. HBAR, $2. Polkadot or Cosmos. Polkadot. Cosmos has pumped a lot lately. I don't know how much more it has left in it. I think $100 or so, but hello, Jorans. I just don't know enough about DAG and LTX, so never really mess around with my altcoins. Plan on selling most of this bull market. I'm considering moving XLM into quant. Would you? Yeah, if you're going to move out of XLM, quant is a good one to move it into. Justice Dave, thank you so much. Do you plan B's? Yeah, I think plan B 63K by the end of October will happen. He's been insane. He called, back in late June when things seemed probably the most gloomy. Plan B called for 47. He said the worst case scenario is that Bitcoin would close at $47,000 in August. And it closed above $47,000. And then he said $43,000 in September, and it closed at 43.8 or something like that. So VeChain 50 cents. Should I sell all VET then, or could it go a little higher? If it gets to 50 cents, it just depends on when, because maybe it'll go much higher than that. But if it gets to 50 cents in January, I would sell all of it. But yeah, sell all of your VeChain in my opinion. Weiyang Zhang, do you think Bitcoin will reach 120 to 150K this cycle? I think it's going to 200K. Yeah, Dot's doing well. Good to see. Link is not moving. Why? Link's a slow mover, but I think it's going to $100. All right, BJ, been listening to some of your recommendations. Crypto Weatherman, his take is that you make money during a bear market. If the drop is expected, what's stopping everyone from shorting Bitcoin? BJ, yeah, Plan B's been spot on. I'm buying puts on miners. I'm going to buy it. All right, well, let me just say this. If Bitcoin has a distinct blow off top, I am buying puts in miners. I will buy puts in Riot Blockchain. I will buy puts in probably not MicroStrategy, because that's just the theta decay would be insane with that. I'm going to buy some puts. I'm not going to short it. But I mean, that is a way of shorting it. So what's CRV's new TikTok? He actually got back. He got his profile back. How much would you have to put in Bitcoin to make money? $1? A penny? I mean, what do you mean by that? Bitcoin's going to $1 million this decade. Have you heard of UMB? I have not. Cody, I don't know enough about Cody. Do you think USDT and SEC lawsuit will end the bull run? Nope. What are puts? So options trading. You do some research on options trading. I generally would not recommend options. But when I am 100% sure about something, or not 100%, like when I'm like 98% sure of something, I'll do options trading. So like GameStop earlier this year, I caught that like crazy. And I got in the Monday of that week. I mean, I already had a call that I bought in November with GameStop, but I got in on that and I was like, okay, I'm buying options, and I made like $50,000 that week. So I might've made more than that. I don't remember, but, oh man, where am I? So an option, a call is, you think it's going up, buy a call. It's like you buy a contract to purchase 100 shares of that at a set price. The price goes up, you get to purchase it at that set price that you agreed on, and the rest is profits. You buy a put, that means that you're selling it at a certain price. It's betting against it. I'm not going to talk much more about calls and puts and stuff. So just sell calls, selling calls. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Do you trade crypto or buy and hold? I mostly buy and hold. What's a blow off top exactly? Just things go crazy up and then spike right down. So when do you think Bitcoin will take off? I mean, Bitcoin has been taking off, but I mean, once we cross that all-time high again, it's game on. I'm not going to talk about crypto taxes. I'm sorry. That's rough. That's rough. I'm not a tax professional. That's very dangerous to do. Betting on a stock to go up to a certain price. Yep. Well, no. 1inch, very bullish on 1inch. They partnered with Binance, but I don't have a price. $1 million for Bitcoin by the end of the decade, at least. Yeah, I don't have a prediction, sorry. Staking Crone to bear for Obsidian card, is it the move? Yeah, that sounds great. Riot or Mara, why not? Why Riot not going up? Yeah, that's why I sold my Riot calls. But I think Riot will catch up. It's underpriced right now, but I think it'll catch up. So when do you see XRP settlement? I have no idea. None. I'm sorry. No idea. Quant has such a small market cap relatively. I'm surprised you only expect 2 to 3x. Maybe I'm crazy, Rekicam. I mean, that is a good point. Maybe I'm crazy. It's just, it's pumped so much. You're selling Riot calls? Oh my goodness. Oh man, that's dangerous. The Feds lie that tapering is coming soon. I haven't seen anything about the Fed saying that tapering is coming soon. Got a bag of AMP, hoping for good things this cycle. Excellent. Where can you do this calls on Bitcoin? Not on Bitcoin. I mean, there are ways to trade options on Bitcoin. I don't do it. I think you can do it on like Femex. But I'm just talking about like on Robinhood or Webull, buying some calls on Bitcoin miners. So I have 45 Bitcoin, hold or sell. Hold for 20 years. Did you do Uni? As far as Uniswap is concerned, I own some Uniswap. Is that what you're asking? Will the USA's regulations affect the rest of the world? For a little bit, but long run, no. When do you think ETH will hit 10K? January. Is Doge the new quarter? Yeah, Doge is a stable coin. It's worth a quarter. No. What do you think about Kusama? It's in the DOT ecosystem. Yep. I'm bullish on DOT and bullish on Kusama. So I like them both. Do you have XRP? Yeah, it's one of my top 5 holdings. How much of your portfolio it is and where did you buy it? Well, all right. Little secret. I don't own any actual XRP. I own an XRP pegged coin and it performs with XRP. I have $17,000 worth of this XRP pegged coin. So is Hex still a good buy? No. Ethereum Classic will outperform Ethereum, yes, on the way up, but also on the way down. So it's dangerous in that regard. Thoughts on Ocean and Mana? Don't know enough about Ocean. Mana, gaming, NFTs makes a ton of sense to me, you know? So that's a place where it's like NFTs, it's like, yeah, I mean, they have these pay-to-play video games. Not pay-to-play, but, you know, it definitely incentivizes paying. And NFTs, you just slip NFTs right in there. So you won't be buying any coins for all 2022. No, I probably won't. I'll just hold on. I mean, if Ethereum goes down to like $5,000, I'll probably buy some Ethereum. Cartesi, sorry, I don't know enough. Thoughts on Pancake Bunny? Stay away from Pancake Bunny. It's pretty much dead. DOT is going nuts. Yeah, I mean, if you think that's nuts, though, it's like just wait till January for altcoins. AMP to $1, Block, don't know. KuCoin's a scam. I haven't heard that before. Axie is another NFT, gaming NFTs. Makes sense. AMP to $1. Buying crypto and holding it is not as profitable as trading them on futures with a good leverage. Tracy, it just depends on how knowledgeable you are. I mean, I'm talking to a lot of people who are, in their teens or 20s. I would guess that most of you listening are in your teens or 20s. Would I recommend that you do that if you don't know much about investing and you're in your teens or 20s? No. So I understand your argument. You're probably right. For you, that's probably a great idea. For most of the people listening to me, they're going to lose a lot of money when this is the surest thing that I've ever had. Holding Bitcoin and Ethereum, is the surest thing to me ever for any investment that I've ever had. So I'd rather just hold it, and I'd rather tell people to hold it, 56, there we go, nice. Or just plain new to crypto. New to crypto, yeah. So is Crow goated? What does that mean? KuCoin bots? I don't know anything about KuCoin bots. AMP is not getting to $1. Okay, I say AMP to $1. Not all. I'm old, 47, been investing for a while, but crypto's new to me. You're welcome for the content. So I mean, all right, a lot of people sharing their ages, and a lot of people are older than what I'm saying. I mean, I assume my assumption is that most people here are in their 20s or younger. So, but that's great. I mean, I just don't picture. I usually don't picture a lot of people that old being on TikTok. So, Satori, thank you. All right, never sell Bitcoin or ETH. There we go. Why are you saying these kids are going to lose a lot of money? I missed it. If they were to be traders instead of holders. So Evil D 45 holding for retirement. Excellent. All right. Wow, there's older people than I thought. So 36, I'm 39. Yeah, Burrito Source, I'm on TikTok. Um, I'm on TikTok, so I would expect to be talking to younger people. But on YouTube, of course, 53, 54. Thank you all for joining me. Um, that's why we get nervous when you get mad so easy. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Um, do you think we're crashing this month? I don't. Nope. Thought on EOS prediction. I don't think EOS is going to its 2018 high. I'd stay away from EOS. I have a trading experience of over 7 years. Been trading professionally for the past 5 years. Yeah, Tracy. So you're right. I'm not denying that you're right. I would just say, unexperienced traders, I would say just buy and hold, So, all right, Sus0103, excellent. Thank you. You think there will be a pullback in the market? I think we had a pullback yesterday, and I don't think it's going to go much lower. I think we're about to go higher. So, Albino Barreto, I love that you love listening to me. 51, 47, my goodness. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, Paul Cox, 54 years old from GB. Jimmy Smith, you're 71. Wow. All right, thoughts on front or so I'm not concerned about an SEC or USDT conflict. I'm just not. So I'm going to lean back a little bit here. Okay. 32, but I'm following the Alex plan to hold Bitcoin and ETH long term, but sell some alts off at Parabolic. There we go. I'm worried that I should exchange my XRP for something else during this bull run, something that's not going through a lawsuit. It just depends on how much XRP you hold. I mean, XRP is probably like 5% of my portfolio. I'm fine with that, but Jerry, Texas, 36, wife and $2. I don't have a price prediction for EOS. So, man, 51, 57, 50, 60. Wow. This is wild. I think you Lou Holtz your XRP. What? WWXRP? Roughly when do you think Quant will rally again? You know what? I think Quant is poised for another breakout. So there's somebody I follow on TikTok, Cryptolio. Check him out, Cryptolio. He's a big XRP guy. I won't hold that against him. And I'm not saying anything negative about XRP. I'm just, the XRP people, you're a little insane. He made a really good video about Quant yesterday. I think it was yesterday. So check that out. Where's Quant at right now? H-bar, $2. When will Litecoin break all-time highs? November. But then I think it'll peak in January. We are rolling our retirement into something. There we go. 39 Cam. All right, we're the same age. Cryptolio is a few guys, right? There's several people who talk on that channel. It is really one guy. So Quant will one day be at 50K. I mean, I think 5 figures. So 5-year price prediction for BNB, maybe 5 figures. 2139. Joe Morse holds 8,000 XRP. I think that's a good amount. Ethereum at the end of October. I don't think it's going to be higher than $4,000, even if Bitcoin breaks its all-time high. Bitcoin is going to outperform. I've said this for months now, and it's playing out. Bitcoin is outperforming XRP, or it's not XRP, Ethereum right now, and that's going to continue until like mid-November or so. So El Puño. All right, I see the XRP people. I hold 7K EOS prediction, please. Higher, but I think you should sell all of it soon. Crow price prediction, 50 cents. November Bitcoin price prediction. I think we're going to hit $100,000 in November. and then get rejected hard, and then see a 20 to 30% correction, but then cross back over that by the end of the month, and then go crazy in December. So 35 here. Appreciate your work. Thank you, anxious investor. XRP people no more insane than Bitcoin maxis. Paul, I think XRP people are a little bit more insane than Bitcoin maxis, but Bitcoin maxis are pretty insane. So T King is up 1.2% in 1 month. Okay. Is that a new microphone? I can't find my lavalier mic, so I'm holding an old microphone, but on YouTube I have this fancy one. Can you see that? Check that out, man. It's on a thing, so we're all crazy. Yeah. Fed says tapering to begin in November. I'll believe it when I see it. I think it's a good time to buy Quant. Yeah, I think it's a great time to buy Quant. It's at 275. Yes, buy Quant. I still think Litecoin will hit $1,500. Yes. What do you say about the army of crypto gods? What? I don't know what you're talking about. Should I hold my ETH forever? I think that would be great if you did. I did not get any Pulse Chain, no. Devin, sorry, I don't do any one-on-one coaching. I dread it. I did it for a little bit, and I just didn't look forward to it ever. And so I would charge too much. I'm 62. John Padilla, 62. All right, Shan thinks 15,000 ETH by January. I think so too. HBAR is my biggest holdings, and Quant and XRP. I think that's a good portfolio. Do you think SHIB will keep pumping? I think it's going to consolidate for a little bit, and then it'll pump a little higher. Yeah. What do you think will be the event that triggers the bear market? I think things are going to pump like crazy, and then people will take profits aggressively, and that'll be it. So you don't like Front or LSS because of USDT? I don't know anything about Front or LSS. So Crow 50 cents, FTM I don't have one, but higher. Will there be a correction in October on Bitcoin? I think the kind of correction that you should be looking for is what happened yesterday. And then we bounce back up. Corrections will be quick. UMA, I don't know enough. I'm XRP and love you all. Crypto peoples. Okay, cake to 100 still or less, 100. If Bitcoin 1 million by end of decade, ETH prediction, 6 figures. Why don't you use a headphone mic? A headphone mic? So this came with headphones, the set. I don't know. I mean, if I plug my headphones in, would it be easier to hear? Would it be a better sound quality? I just don't know enough. US dollar down 4.4%. Yep. Your buddy said VeChain could hit $1.50. Yeah. If you're talking about CVO crypto, he is more bullish than I am. So Pokedex, don't know. I mean, no, Pokedex. Yeah. I do know about Pokedex, but that's where you launch cryptos, right? And that's fine, but I don't have any price predictions or anything like that. Uniswap, maybe $100. Anchor, don't have a price prediction, maybe $1. Would you get rid of Bitcoin Cash? I would, yeah. Buy something else. Polkadot, $200. Stella and Aave. Stella, $2. Aave, I don't have a price prediction. Over 4 figures. Sound is great. Paul Cox, excellent. Okay, all right, Scott Singletary's 49. What percent of crypto do you think should be in the overall investment portfolio? I mean, I'm 90%, but I would not recommend that. So, but I won't be 90% by the end of this cycle. When will AMP peak? I think like January. BTT, nothing. I don't have a prediction. All right. ETH prediction in the 6 figures this decade, Felix. But would you buy NFTs? Not anymore. Nope. I'd buy some in the bear market. I'm done. I got to be done for today. I'm pretty wiped out. I've been going for an hour and a half or so. So sorry. Algo $7. Stay away from Catgirl. Litecoin will go to its all-time high in November. You're still buying or looking to DCA out? I'm not buying, but I'm not DCAing out. So, all right. Much love to you all. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. World War Bitcoin. Follow me on Twitter, WW Bitcoin. I love you all. I love you all. Christy Token. Oh, sorry. I was not supposed to pronounce your name. I don't have a prediction for Dent. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram. Love you all. Blessings, peace. May the Lord bless you and keep you and make his face shine upon you. XOXO.